Wow! I did not expect this. This place is incredible, caught Ethan. There is so much to see. But how did I get here? This is my first trip to Morocco. I am very excited. I have heard many good things about Morocco. I cannot wait to explore. I can see the city. We are almost there. We made it. I am finally in Morocco. The airport looks modern. Everything feels new. The weather feels great. I am happy to be here. Let's go to the hotel. Let's go to the hotel. My adventure begins now. Look at those palm trees. They are everywhere. The buildings are beautiful. I love this color. This city feels alive. There is so much energy here. We are here. This place looks welcoming. Wow, this lobby is beautiful. I love the design. Thank you. I am excited to see my room. I wonder what my room looks like. I hope the view is nice. This is it. My first room in Morocco. This room is amazing. I really like it. Wow. What a beautiful city. The city looks very busy. I want to explore it. I do not want to waste time. Let's go outside. This is my first walk in Morocco. I am ready. Everything feels different. And I love it. There are so many small shops. I want to see everything. That smells amazing. I am already getting hungry. People seem very friendly. I feel comfortable here. Fresh orange juice? I have to try that. 1 orange juice, please. It looks very fresh. That looks delicious. I cannot wait to taste it. Wow. This is really good. Shukran. Shukran. Did I say it correctly? Yes, perfectly. Thank you. You're welcome. What is that sound? It sounds interesting. There are more people here. I think I am getting closer. This place feels alive. I love the atmosphere. I can hear music. Let's see what is happening. I think I am very close now. I can feel the energy. Wow. This place is huge. The atmosphere is amazing. I have never seen anything like this. Everyone looks happy. I want to see this. This is so much fun. The crowd loves it. There is another show over there. So many things are happening. I could spend all day here. This place is... What smells so good? I need to find it. Everything looks delicious. I do not know what to choose. Wow. This smells amazing. What is this dish? It smells wonderful. It looks delicious. I want to try it. It looks amazing. Let's taste it. Wow. This is really good. The meat is very tender. I love the flavor. The food is great. And the atmosphere is great too. Ah. That was excellent. I am already hungry for more. The square feels different at night. It is even more beautiful. I love this atmosphere. It feels very welcoming. That looks interesting. I want to try that. This smells wonderful. Let's try it. Oh, wow. This is very refreshing. It is sweet. And the mint tastes great. Tea is more than a drink here. It brings people together. What an amazing first day. I cannot wait for tomorrow. It was a wonderful day. I learned a lot. I took so many pictures. These are great memories. Today was unforgettable. And this is only the beginning. Good morning, Marrakech. What should I explore today? Adult? This is delicious. I have never tried this before. The honey makes it even better. I love this combination. Now it is time to explore. Let's visit the markets. These streets are beautiful. They feel full of history. Look at those lanterns. They are beautiful. These look handmade. The craftsmanship is impressive. The quality feels great. There is so much talent here. Wow! Look at all these colors! I have never seen spices like this. They look beautiful. This will be a great souvenir. And it smells amazing. Leaving the spice shop. Wait. I do not remember this street. I think I am lost. Just a little. Maybe getting lost is not so bad. This place is beautiful. This place feels peaceful. I like it here. The decorations are beautiful. There is so much detail. Hello. Are you visiting Morocco too? Morocco has been amazing so far. The people are very kind. I am glad I came here. This place feels special. I will never forget this day. It has been amazing. I am glad I came here. This place feels special. It is time to go home. But I am not ready to leave. I will miss this city. It has been wonderful. Goodbye, Morocco. Thank you for the memories.